Welcome to Dominic's Toy Treasure Box.
Beautiful on the inside.
Hi everybody, I'm back in the house. I love you guys all. But today, we got a giant box, but not toys. It's something from school because we're going back to school, people. So, I'm gonna show off my bed.
You got a new bed?
Yeah.
Of course, WWE. Nice. Now you have more room for your stuff in the bottom, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, pretty.
I'm lucky!
Nice. Okay, so what are we doing today?
School review.
Oh, yes. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Here, safety first.
How do you do this again?
The other way. Like this. There you go. Ready?
I can't do this.
Okay, I'll do it and you just open the box. It's a big box, huh? Wait, where's this box from? WWEshop.com.
Oh yeah, WWEshop.com.
WWEshop.com.
This is not how we even hold a safety sizzle.
Yeah, you want me to do it for you or you got it?
I got it. Ugh. Yeah. Ah,
Any day now, buddy.
it hurts.
There you go.
No!
Wait. Wait. Okay, so this is from where?
WWEshop.com.
WWEshop.com. Okay, ready? One. Wait, close your eyes. How about I give you the things? Or you want to pull them out yourself?
I'd put them out
Okay.
by myself.
Ready? Close your eyes. Let's open the box first.
Tell me to open.
Wait. Don't open them yet. Wait. Ready? And go.
Yeah! Yay! Yay! Yeah!
Okay, so what do we have, bro?
What is this slimy
I hope you know you have to clean all that up, right?
I don't. Oh,
Ooh, what's that?
a new notebook. No. Candle.
Yeah, it's a calendar.
How do I open it?
Let's try to open it.
There we go.
Wait, hold on. I got you. There you go.
Open it up. Oh, it's choked up. It's a new calendar. I never got one of these.
I've never had one too. That's why I kind of got it for us.
Well, I'm in my. Whoa!
Who's AJ Styles? AJ Styles in 1 month? 1 month is AJ Styles.
I'm not sure.
The month is on there, baby. January is Randy Orton. Who? February is
Wanda.
March. Your sister's birthday. Nice. The new day. Oh, I wonder who's mine. I'm in April. Yeah. Can we return the calendar now?
Hey, yeah, because of this.
Oh, May. June.
Wait, like 80 stars and then just 80 stars music on.
That's crazy. It just came up too. July.
From battle.
August.
I like so.
September. Wait. Who do you think is yours?
I'm not sure.
Guess.
Shinsuke?
Shinsuke?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's see. You ready? Wait, go. No. November. You skipped one, babe.
Oh,
October. Braun Strowman.
that's nice.
November. Mommy's birthday. Cesaro.
Cataro. Tomato. Tomato.
That's it?
Yeah.
Nice. Pretty cool. Now, open up your, what is that? A backpack. Nice.
What is that? Yeah! Guys, I know you can't see me, but you can only see my eyes. Is this cool? Oh, wait. Dude,
Whoa.
it feels so soft.
Let me see. It does feel so soft.
Oh, these are like little oases.
It's not big. I thought it was gonna be big. It's actually a kid size.
Oh, wait, they had another one.
Try it on. I know. Try it on. Let's do one thing at a time. Hey, it's perfect.
I remember that there was another small
Turn around.
one.
Yeah, it's perfect. We had Bowl one last year that was pretty big, but this one looks like it's perfect. Okay, one more thing in there. This one is actually for me, but you can open it for me.
It's so soft. What the what?
Come on, sit down.
I said, what the what? Anyways, never say what the what in your house. Oh, it's
It's a
nice.
fanny pack.
Ugh.
You can put it on if you want.
It doesn't even fit me.
Yes, it does.
Like it's gonna fall like.
No, I know.
Whoa. Oh. I'm not good at doing this. Now I'm gonna want two things at a time to go to school with.
That's not how you put it on, first of all.
Ow!
So there you go. It's a fanny pack.
Kill it. It's like I have a champion.
Champion and champion and.
And a falling thing.
So, do you like it?
Yeah.
And show everybody the things again. Put everything on the table.
Woo!
You got a calendar. You got a fanny pack. And we
Yahoo!
got.
Something else.
And we got the book bag.
Woo!
What's your favorite one?
I have to see the calendar.
Why the calendar?
Because of one. It's actually my season of this.
Your birthday month?
Yeah. Woohoo! Oh. I actually just picked the place. Oh.
Nice. Wait, why does it say 2020?
It's next year.
Ew. So 2019 is small.
It's perfect. It's not sweet.
Okay. I'm confused. I'm sorry. I'm thinking we're still in 2018 for some odd reason. But yes, this is all that's left in 2019, and then 2020 starts. Damn, that went fast. Went pretty fast.
No, you skipped the page. Look.
Mm.
Oh, we need the bank.
Okay, so which is your favorite one you said?
This one.
Nice. All right. Pretty good unboxing, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Say your goodbyes.
Goodbye, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.